Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Messenger chat threads on OPPO Reno 10 Pro. So to enable Messenger chat threads you have to start with opening your Messenger application and now click here. Now go to settings and now you have to scroll down and click here to enable chat threads. Now you have to go to settings to allow Messenger to display over other applications. You have to find Messenger on the list and now you have to click here and you can go back. And now as you can see, Messenger chat threads are enabled, and if you want to disable them you can just click here again. So that is for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.